People always ask me how to get rid of MSM and also CNN, most media platforms. Deplatform them. Really simple. They need public support. We withdraw public support. So you don't want to watch that on your streaming package, or you don't want to watch them on your cable package, you don't want to watch them on your satellite package. You tell your provider, remove them or I'll go someplace else. And that's it. 2, watch more YouTube. Don't watch CNN. CNN is garbage. YouTube, you get a fair chance of finding out what's better. Okay? And that's about it. Think about it. Deplatform, CNN, and Deplatform MSM. Bye, folks.